Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping more water. Shut the sink valve or main water supply now. Once you've removed standing water with a bucket and towel, put on gloves and prep tools, plunger, wrench, and snake. You do this because removing pressure and water prevents spills and lets you work safely. After that, check the overflow hole and stopper quick. Sediment often lodges there. Make sure to place a bucket under the P-trap before you loosen anything to catch residual water. You'll remove the P-trap next. Loosen the slip nuts and tip the trap contents into your bucket. Once empty, inspect for hair, grease, or foreign objects and clear them manually or with a small wire. If the clog persists, feed a plumber's snake down the tailpiece and into the drain until you feel resistance, then rotate and pull slowly to extract. After cleaning, replace, or seat washers, reassemble the trap and snug the nuts. Don't over-tighten. You want a leak-free, but not stressed seal. You finish by running hot then cold water for a few minutes while watching every joint for drips. Tighten any small leaks and wipe dry. If drainage is still slow, feed the snake deeper through the drain or consider checking the roof vent for blockages that cause poor flow. If grease or organic buildup remains, use an enzyme cleaner as directed. Make sure to avoid strong caustics that can damage seals. If none of this works, call a licensed plumber to diagnose hidden or venting issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.